Hi, I'm Phoebe Tonkin. I'm in New York shooting for Vogue Australia, and this is my sort of quick morning routine. I like to mix solution 10 with some oil, especially when I'm traveling or dehydrated or haven't slept very well. And I mix them together and basically massage my face, which is really good to do in the morning. And then, very important, whether it's raining, snowing, hailing, or if it's sunny, sunscreen. You can always tell in Australia if someone isn't Australian because they're very sunburned. Australians are very diligent with their SPF. So I don't really like to cover my skin too much. I kind of like to see freckles, I like to see blemishes, and I even kind of like to see dark circles. I think it kind of looks, you know, a little sexy to look like you're, you know, not entirely well rested. Or maybe I'm just justifying because I naturally have dark circles. But then I just like to mix. Basically, I mix the concealer from the Essential palette and a foundation. I really use like the tiniest amount, like that little amount of foundation. I don't wear mascara, so I like to use well, it's called a boy brow, but it's a brow mascara. I just like to kind of really fill them in and define them. After that, I do curl my lashes. And then what I like to do is do a bit of a mix. So I kind of like to make a lip stain. So I'll use a little bit of RMS, and then I mix a little bit of this from Chanel palette. This, I mix them, and then I just basically dab it on my lips, even if it kind of goes outside of the line. And I also put it on my cheeks, and my eyes. And then after that, my hair. So what I sometimes will do, not so much in the winter, but in the summer, I'll go to bed with wet hair and I'll braid it, and so then when I wake up, it's all kind of nice and wavy. And another tip that I recently learned is the preemptive dry shampoo. So even if your hair is super clean, before you go to bed, you put dry shampoo in your hair, and then you wake up and it's kind of got that like dirty, cool texture. Then I like to just, wait, probably put too much in this one. I like to kind of separate them a little bit. And then after that, very important, perfume. I know people have their perfume techniques, but I kind of do that, and then I also like to put it in my hair. And that is how I get ready in the morning.